Will extreme heat soften or damage a repaired area on roofing or exterior patches in southern climates? High temperatures can accelerate material flow and adhesion changes, so choose repair compounds specifically formulated for heat resistance and ultraviolet stability. Use products labeled for roofing or exterior use that list service temperature ranges and specify polymer chemistry, such as modified bitumen, silicone, or high-temperature rated elastomers because those chemistries resist softening and maintain elasticity. Avoid indoor or general-purpose caulks. Prepare the surface thoroughly by cleaning with a stiff brush and solvent recommended by the manufacturer. Remove all loose material and allow the substrate to dry fully, since trapped moisture can vaporize later and cause blistering. Apply products within their recommended thickness and cure window and press firmly to eliminate voids. Many high-temperature patches work best when troweled or rolled to ensure full contact. Protect newly repaired areas from direct sun and radiant heat for the manufacturer-specified cure time by using temporary shading or reflective covers, because rapid curing in extreme heat can trap solvents and compromise bond. Inspect sealed joints after the first heat cycle, and then, seasonally, check for soft spots, edge lift, or tackiness, and recoat or reinforce with compatible overlayer if needed. When in doubt, test a small inconspicuous patch and record the ambient temperature and surface temperature during application to confirm performance before treating a large area. Common mistakes include using non-heat rated materials, which will feel soft or flow in the sun, so replace them with products that list high service temperatures. Another issue is inadequate surface preparation, which leads to poor adhesion and early failure, so always clean to bare sound substrate and ensure dryness before applying a patch. A third problem is applying too thin a film, which loses UV and heat protective capacity, so follow the manufacturer thickness guidance and consider a second coat or reinforcing fabric where movement and temperature swing are severe. BigHomeProjects.com is a homeowners resource where we connect people with local contractors and share community discussion threads about real project experiences. We help contractors find work by letting them join conversations, answer questions, and showcase their skills to local homeowners.